Hi, this is Miss Liv from Steele Memorial Library. If you were with us the other day, Miss Stephanie and I went to the cliffs of the News Park, and we were looking at all the beautiful nature out there, and we collected a few leaves and stuff. So I wanted to show you some of the art that I've made with it since we've come back. Here's a pretty butterfly, and then a couple of animals that you can make with your leaves. Just use your imagination. I put some googly eyes on these too, but whatever you have at home you can take and use. And so I thought I'd try to show one to you and make a person here. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so for this project, I'm gonna try to make a little leaf man. So I'm just using a glue stick here. You can use whatever you have handy at home. I'm gonna make these be his legs. I want this bigger one to be his body. So let me figure out where his arms should go next. And I got some long skinny things here I'm gonna use for arms, if I can get them to cooperate. Alrighty, there's one. We'll put him an arm out that way. There we go. And now for his body. My little leaf man here will cooperate some. So I'm gonna hold him down for a minute and let him stick good. All right, and I'm gonna let this be his head. So I'm gonna draw a little face on there, a couple of eyes, and a mouth. There he goes. And everything is sticking to my fingers. But they will wash, it's okay. So we'll put his little head on there. His body does not want to stick. And then I'm gonna give him a couple of feet, I think, because I have a couple more little leaves here. So I'm gonna use those and give him some feet so he can walk around today. There we go, and there's my little leaf man. All right, I have a couple more pictures here that I wanted to show you of some people that I made. And you can just use any outline you might have. You might have something in your coloring book you want to use. This one is actually, we'll give a link to it at the bottom of this, showing where you can print that off if you have access to print. And also if you have access to print, we have a scavenger hunt link that you can click on and try to find these items out while you're on your nature walk. All right, so I hope you enjoyed our nature crafts today, and I hope you have fun out on your nature walk and making them. We'll see you later. Bye.